One more hello. So, guys, I have watched this movie, Hello, Love Again, last week. And I rate this 7 out of 10. Not much better than the first one kasi mayroon siyang mga corny jokes, may mga cringy moments, and meron siyang mga scenes na hindi nila kailangang umiyak, pero umiyak. Kumbaga, if in real life, it's not, you know, well, it's a movie, but every time you watch a movie, you have to learn something and apply it. So, yun lang. Um, pero this time, mas gusto ko yung laughter and the supporting roles